Hey, what's up guys? It's Ernest here. Okay, Evan's doing a trick. If he gets that smiley fruit snack in his mouth, he gets to slap me. Fine. You had 4 tries already. He started doing it before I started recording. No, you're not slapping me! You cheater! Ow! Jameer, what is wrong with your quality? Quality. What's wrong with the quality? You know what? It doesn't matter. Because quantity beats quality. Quality. Quantity. Because it's hard. Quality. Jameer, you need to fix your thing. Give it back! Give it back or I'll slap you. It's gonna stop this dude. Where is he? Where he is. Come back here! What the? Oh my gosh! Don't touch it! Don't touch it! Don't touch it! And it was what right here. Turn on the lights. That's one. He threw it, it slid down here, and it landed right here. Mine. Jameer, you need to fix your record. Ah! You need to fix your recording. Oh, stop it!
If I catch it in my mouth, I get too happy. Okay.
That?
Yeah.
You get only 1 try.
Okay.
He only gets 1 try.
Two. Please.
It's fine.